Hey guys, Coach Courtney here. Um, I'm going to show you how day one's activity for week two works, okay? I'm just choosing third grade because it's the middle of the school, middle age. This is third grade's PE course. So there's always going to be this video right here. This is a link right here. It takes you to my video on YouTube. It just talks about how virtual PE works. Maybe you forget where you go to navigate things or to get through things or where you find things. This video will always be here for you to go to and find out. Make sure you know where you're going for virtual PE. So I just want to say that that's always there, okay? So we're in week two right here. So you'll just click the little drop down. We're going to go over the instructions for day one, okay? Tissue juggling, okay? Here we go. We're waiting on it to load. Here we go. This video will be posted right here just in case you ever need to find it again. The link will be right here. It'll be on YouTube, but the link will be right there, okay? Instructions for tissue juggling, okay? Very simple. First thing you got to do is you just have to find 3 tissues, 3 Kleenex, 3 paper towels, 3 napkins, 3 pieces of toilet paper, any kind of little paper product like that you have around the house, because we are going to be juggling. We want it to kind of float and hesitate in the air, okay? So any of those paper products will work fine. So you'll need 3 of them. And then the second thing you're going to do is you're going to click on your teacher's name, and it will take you directly to your seesaw activity, okay? So we'll go back to that page right before this. This is where you'll see your teacher's name, okay? So we're just going to say we're in Miss Dotson's class. So we'll click here, and then it will automatically pull up the link. And then this takes you directly to your activity on Seesaw, okay? This way you don't have to go through Seesaw and locate the activity. This will just take you straight there, okay? So the directions, we are going to be practicing juggling tissues, okay? So find 3 tissues around your house. You will watch all 3 videos below in order, okay? So watch video 1, then video 2, then video 3, okay? Don't watch them out of order. Watch them 1, 2, 3, okay? You're going to follow along with the person on the screen. The videos do move fairly quickly through, they move fast through the video, and they're going to be doing things. So at any point that they're moving fast, go ahead and pause it so you can do the activity at least once, maybe twice, just so you can practice it. But do pause it in between each activity so you can make sure you practice the motions and slow it down, okay? So make sure you pause it throughout. Once you finish watching all 3 videos, use the video response to show me at least 2 things that you did with the tissues in the videos, okay? So show me 2 things. So you'll just go right here to add response. I'll click that I'm a sample student. Then I'll be clicking the video response, okay? As soon as I click the video response, it messes up my screen recording right here. But then you'll just record yourself showing me your activity that you did with your tissues, 2 activities that you did with your tissues, and then you'll share your response with me, okay? Then we'll go back, okay? So now my little face is messed up, okay? But that's all you gotta do, okay? So you'll just share a video response with me for this activity, and then you are completed, okay? That's your grade, is to share your response with a video, okay? So these 3 videos will take you straight to YouTube. Hi, I'm Mike right here, and then you'll just watch watch the videos. There's 3 of them. Once you finish watching them, send me your response, okay? But that is it, okay? Just send me a question or message me if you have any issues or any questions, okay? But that's the instructions for day 1 of week 2, okay? Tissue juggling. Have fun.